In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Turbotax 2021 error when your federal tax return was rejected with code F8962-070. Let's dive in and get this sorted for you. First, you'll need to navigate to the Turbotax official site. Open your browser and head to the website. Once you're there, hover over to the top right corner and you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click that. This is the first step towards resolving the issue. Enter your login credentials carefully, as any mistake here could cause unnecessary delays. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Turbotax homepage. Here, you'll find various options and tools at your disposal. In order to address the F8962-070 rejection, we need to make a specific search. Look for the search function, which is typically located at the top of the page, and click on it. Once you've accessed the search bar, type in WEN95A. This is the form that's causing the rejection error due to missing or incorrect information about health coverage. By locating this form, you are getting closer to identifying the problem. Next, you'll see options related to form WEN95A. What you need to do now is click on form 1095A. This form is crucial because it contains information related to the health insurance marketplace. This step is key in ensuring that all your information on the form is correct and up to date. After clicking on Form 1095A, look for an option that says Jump to Form 1095A. Select this option and it will take you directly where you need to make edits or adjustments. This shortcut is handy and saves you a significant amount of time. Now you'll be taken to a section that asks, do you need to report any 1095As? This is your opportunity to confirm and report your form. If you have the form information ready, make sure to input all details accurately. Double check each entry because even a small mistake here could lead to the same error cropping up again. Once you've entered the necessary details, review everything thoroughly to ensure there are no errors. It's important to be meticulous at this stage to avoid further complications. Completing these steps will help rectify the F8962-070 rejection error, enabling you to move forward with filing your federal tax return successfully. Taking your time and being precise with each step can save you from future headaches. If you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Turbotax support for assistance. They are equipped to help you resolve any persistent problems. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your tax filing.